Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we have the first episode in the series of giant tech unboxing or massive tech unboxing inspired by your average consumer. So today in this video, I'm going to be doing massive tech unboxing of 3 products I ordered off Amazon. So the way the series is going to work is I'm going to be doing just unboxing a collection of technology. And basically you guys can recommend what pieces of tech I review or unbox in this series. So leave a comment down below what you want me to check out on Amazon. I'm probably gonna be purchasing all these items off Amazon like I normally do, and I'll feature them on the channel. If you're a company and you wanna have your product be featured on this series, make sure to just leave a comment or email me at scotttylermedia21@gmail.com, located on my About page on YouTube. So without further ado, let's hop right in to this unboxing. We have a Philips headset. I'll do last just because that's the biggest item. A Boom Pro detachable microphone to plug into a headset if it doesn't have a microphone, or if it does, honestly, it'll work with one that has a built-in mic as well. But this is mainly for headsets that do not have a built-in microphone. And then third, this is very basic. It is a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone female audio jack to use with USB-C headphones. So yeah, I guess we'll unbox this first just because it's very, very basic and it's pretty obvious what it does. This is similar to like a lightning to female jack. So basically the point of this, like on my phone, S21 does not have a headphone jack. So what you can do is basically plug this in and you will get a audio signal coming out of the device. And now I can plug in any sort of wired earbuds I want. So it's very versatile, and I'll be able to use this headset on it because this does not have a audio jack and this uses a 3.5 connection. So this thing's pretty cool. It's made by Arctech. Arctech, if you want to be featured on the channel again, just hit me up in the email or leave a comment down below. So Arctech, this thing's pretty cool. Let's put that to the side. Okay, next on our list we have the Boom Pro microphone. This is roughly, I think, around like $35 on Amazon. Pretty good deal. Professional grade boom mic for gaming, Skype, broadcast, podcasts, and calls. Improved voice clarity and cut out background noise. It's got a steel flex adjustable boom arm, rotary volume control, clip secures control, and dual 3.5 millimeter Y adapter for universal capabilities. So basically, if you want to plug this into a PC, which has a audio and microphone splitter, so you can use it with that too. So it includes a Boom Pro mic, the 3.5 Y splitter, and the 1-year warranty. So you can basically use this. Probably should have brought a knife to unbox this stuff, but I think, yeah, I can get this without a knife. But yeah, let's unbox this right here. So guys, as I said before, if you want a product to be featured on this series, just leave a comment down below and I will do so. So we got some paperwork by V-Moda right here. It's probably not going to focus, but V-Moda. And you can register your warranty just by scanning this. And here's the microphone itself. I guess, I don't know, just pull this through and pulls out, I guess. But yeah, that's out the microphone itself. So basically, has a 3.5 connection right here. Oops, just dropped the Y splitter. With the microphone, which is also bendable and adjustable, and apparently this improves your mic quality a ton, like absolute ton, compared to other built-in microphones on headsets. And the cable is pretty long, which is fine, honestly, and it's also braided so it doesn't get tangled. I think this is roughly like a 3-foot cable. And then we have adjustments here. We have a clip to clip on your shirt or something, and then a volume control, which is also nice, and also a mute switch for your headset. And it's gold-plated, 3.5 millimeter male jack right here. So this is sick. I'll have to do an audio test with this in a separate video. And then here we have the Y splitter for a PC or a laptop if it also uses a splitter. But yeah, let's put this stuff to the side. The main event here, which is the Philips 9000 series headphones. This is the 9600H, I believe, is the model number. Let me just double check. I think it's the 9600H, the upgraded version from the 9500. This is already somewhat open, but it is in brand new condition. The person I bought this from already opened it, which is fine, but it's still brand new. I think they just opened it so they could take pictures of it when they were selling it on Mercari. But this should be brand new. Hopefully there's no defects with this. You're always taking a gamble when you're buying from a third-party seller, not from Amazon itself. But yeah, let's open this bad boy up. I guess we just unfold this and we lift. As you can see right here, comes in this weird, comes in like a cardboard like box. It's kind of weird though. Here's the headset, and then here's the long cable, so you can plug this into like one of those like big amps they use for like guitars and stuff. And it says Philips on here. This is obviously detachable. I'm not going to be using this for anything, but I heard the cable on here is like 6 feet long and extremely lengthy, so I'm going to be using the other cable on the Boom Mic Pro, because that one's like half the length at 3 feet. And there's nothing else inside here, it's just cardboard. So let's take a look at the headset. If we take a look at the headset, yep, this is brand new condition. Still has plastic on it, so this is 100% brand new. The drivers, these also rotate. Doesn't go flat completely, but the drivers on this headset are literally enormous, as you can see here. Sort of like a gold lining around here, almost like bronzish color. You plug in the 3.5 cable right here, and there's nothing else on here actually. It's like an open back design with plenty of cushioning on the top and nice Philips branding right there. So yeah, apparently this is supposed to be one of the most comfortable headsets. And it also has pretty good noise isolation. I know I'm wearing a hat right now, but pretty good fit right off the rip, and the pads are super comfortable. I hear you can like wear these for hours on end and it will still be comfortable, and you'll never feel any sort of like irritation while wearing them. So they're good for long gaming sessions or editing sessions or whatever you're using these for. I'm probably gonna be using them for both recording some audio, maybe on like a Zoom call, or gaming, or maybe recording voiceovers for a video, or also editing. I'm probably gonna use these for editing just so I can hear sounds better and adjust the volumes accordingly. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the first episode of Massive Tech Unboxing, Giant Tech Unboxing. I'll think of a name for the series. If you guys have any ideas for the series name, leave a comment down below and I will incorporate that into the series. So yeah, if you're a company, email me or leave a comment down below, and if you're also a fan, leave a comment down below on what other tech you want me to check out on Amazon. All you can do, you can just say the name of the product, or also just send me a link in the comments section. And I will check it out and I will feature it on the next episode. I know this was only 3 pieces of tech, so hopefully in the future I will do more. And yeah, subscribe, like this video, share it with your best friend. Shooting for 1,000 subs, so make sure to subscribe. And I'm gonna be doing a Galaxy Buds Pro giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. From Scott Tyler, it's gonna be a banger. Peace out, guys.